Hey guys, working on a 97 to 2006 Jeep TJ. So the problem I'm having is this only works on max. These ones don't work. So there is two types of these blower motor resistors. It's very similar for both, but we're gonna cover this one in this video, guys. It's very simple. First thing you wanna do is remove your glove box door. Super easy. You just unhook this or right here and you just pull it out. Okay, got the door off just to let some light in. So now underneath here, guys, see, you will notice this little light. So get a little Phillips head, unscrew this, take this light off. It will give you more room. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, so I got the light off. So this thing sits there like this basically, and at the bottom of it, there's like a button to pull the plug out, and there's this stupid red thing in it that is like really difficult to get out. So what we're gonna do is you grab yourself, so remember it sits like that. You're gonna grab a deep 8mm on a socket like this, and see, look, you can get to those bolts. See, I'll show you guys, see? Yeah, so there's one bolt there, and then there's one there. You can feel it with your fingers. So you basically get this in there, and you're gonna unscrew those, and you're gonna take this whole thing out with the plug in it, and then we'll be able to unplug it because it's really difficult. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera. Super easy. Okay, so I got the two screws out. See? So it kind of wants to come out. See, but the problem is this wire's holding it. So what you want to do, guys, is you can disconnect it right here. See, there's an 8mm there. So we're gonna disconnect that, and that will give us more play for the wire to come out. I did loosen this, and I mean, I'm fighting with it right now. If I could unplug it, it would come out. It just stuff's in the way. So I'm just gonna force it out. I almost got it, so I'm just gonna get it out. Okay, I got it out. So this is how I got it out without damaging it. So basically, I pulled on it like this, and then I went like this with it. And then I went down, and I was able to get it out. Okay, I'm gonna figure out how to remove that plug now, and I'll show you guys. Okay, I really do hate these things. They're Jeep's probably stupidest design, these red things. I don't even know why you need that there. Like, it's not gonna accidentally fall out. Okay, so on the inside, see, I was able to get a screwdriver in. You lift this little tab and you push it and you can get it out. I'm gonna do it right now. I have no way to record this because I need my hands, but that is how I got it. Then you push on it. Okay, so see, I got the tab to go back. So now what you gotta do is you grab a screwdriver. See, I already did it. You see that black tab? So you gotta go in here and you gotta lift the black tab. See, and it lifts out of that thing. And now this will come out. See? I need a cameraman. Anyways, okay, I'm pulling it out. Okay, I got it out. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna get a screwdriver and I'm getting rid of this red thing. So in the future, if I ever for some reason need to get this out, I'll just be able to press the button, this button, and pull it out. I don't need safety measures here. Okay, I'm gonna break this out with a screwdriver. Okay, and I'll show you guys what's next. Okay, so using these, I was able to grab this stupid little red thing, and I was able to pull it out. So now, see, look, now you just have a button press release. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, guys, this is so easy now. So there's the old one, corroded, not working. Here's the new one. So I'm gonna put the new one in. See, this tab goes down. Just gonna put it in, put in the two screws, and then I'm gonna plug that in, put everything back. Pretty straightforward. I'm gonna do that right now. See you guys in 5 minutes. Okay, guys, it is installed. Check it out. All of the speeds work perfect. So we fixed it, guys. So remember, guys, this is an entire restoration series. So click on the playlist. And thanks for watching, guys. Till next time.